Pride is an important thing to celebrate, no? Kailangan palaging may pagkakataon na i-celebrate ang pride ng ating LGBTQIA plus community, no? And every year it becomes more of a big celebration for us. And this 2025, we're happy to see the turnout. We're happy to see the participation of our community, and we hope that next year and onwards that we have even bigger and prouder celebrations. Thank you. Yeah, so it's always an important event ginaganap every June to celebrate the LGBTQIA plus community dito sa lungsod ng Antipolo. Lalong-lalo na at we are experiencing spikes in HIV cases in the country. Kaya sinasamantala na po natin ang pagkakaroon ng mga event na katulad nito that both celebrate the community as well as give them a safe space to express themselves, their identities, and be who they are. And at the same time, meron po tayong mga booths with our sponsors and our partners that will provide help to the community in terms of what the community needs. No? Meron mga testing centers, meron po tayong mga safe spaces to assess mental health issues at kung ano pang mga kailangan. So it is both a practical convening of the community to be able to address issues and as well as celebrate this month of June, which is Pride Month for the entire. Importante po ang pagiging safe. No? There are many resources available to increase informational awareness. Ang paggamit ng condom po ay mahalaga. At kailangan po na aware po tayo na in the midst of the rising cases, may magagawa po tayo to help ease the spike.